Whenever we transfer the electricity from very far away powerhouse through a very long transmission cable to our houses, then there will be a loss of power in those cables. So how to remove, how to minimize the loss of cable during the transmission of electricity is very important and is a challenging thing. So let us solve how to reduce the transmission, how to reduce the power loss. Okay, we know that power we should not lose the power. Okay, so first of all, let this be my powerhouse, and from powerhouse there are big towers. From there the current electricity is coming to our house, in which I want to light my device. So this is my device, and let the resistance of this device be R. Okay, so, and the power which the device is having is P of D, that the device is equal to V into I, and PD is also I into R. We know this, I square R. Okay, so this is the power of the device which we want to have, and let this be equation number 1. And this resistance is the, okay, let me write resistance be R of D. RD means the resistance of device. So whenever we bring the current from the powerhouse to our houses, it has to travel through the big wire and the very long wire. We have to write, okay, very long wires in which the charges have to perform work to travel from the powerhouse to our houses. So whenever the charges do work, then what happens is they will lose the power, which we do not have, which we do not want to have. So what we do is to reduce power. So to reduce power loss in the transmission cable. To reduce power loss in the transmission cable, this power loss can also be called as power dissipation in the transmission cable. We make the voltage very high. The voltage between these two wires will be very high. Voltage between this point and that point, we make it very high. Okay. So let us see the mathematically. Okay, what happens if I make the voltage high, whether the power will become less or not. So let us see it. We said that we have to make the voltage very high. So let us let this R of C be resistance of cable. Which cable? This transmission cable. So it will have what? Power. Then this power of cable will be equal to, how much is the power of cable? V into I, we know this, and which is equal to I square R. Okay, and which R is this? This R should be the RC, that is the resistance of cable. So we got PC is equal to I square RC. Okay, so in the next step, or I will do one thing. Okay, I will just do one thing. RC is there, I will multiply it with B square and I square and divide by B square I square. Understood? So I can always do this. This V square I square divided by B square I square will cancel, and I will get I square RC. Okay, so I can do this. Now the trick is this. Okay, this I square and this I square will cancel. Then what is V into I? V into I here is PD, that is power of this device, and what is V square I square will be PD square. Okay, so this will give me, let me rub it here, then or P of cable is equal to, this is my RC, and V square I square will be P square of device, because VI is PD. Okay, and this is divided by V square. This is equal to here, RC is square. Now we are done. Why? Because now if you see, if the potential is very high, what will happen to the power? This is power, sorry, why I am writing every time like this. So this is power of the cable. Now V and the power of the cable is inversely proportional. It means that if V is large, what will happen then? Then power becomes small. Power of the cable will become very small. That is why we want to minimize, we want to make the power loss of the cable very low, and if we want to make the power loss very small, then we have to make the voltage very high. If we make this voltage high, this power will become very less. So that is why in a long transmission cable we see that there is a barbed wire and there is a symbol of danger with red. It means that the voltage is very high. But why do we make the voltage high? Because to minimize the power loss in the transmission cable. So V square is downward. If you make V very large, the power will become very small. Which power? The power loss in the transmission cable. Thank you.